a very light, neutral winter outfit. So first of all, I've got on this gorgeous cream jumper dress from ASOS, but I feel like this outfit would also work really well with a shorter jumper dress as well, or any kind of beigey, creamy, nude knitted jumper dress. Over the top, I'm wearing this gorgeous coat from & Other Stories. I got this last year, but again, still in stock this year. Beautiful wool coat. And I love the tone of this as well. I feel like it's a really flattering, kind of beigey oatmeal tone. Boots are from & Other Stories as well. I feel like there's been a lot of & Other Stories pieces so far. I just think they work really well with the tones of the outfit. And then to finish off the look, I have got on this gorgeous Saint Laurent bag, which just works perfectly. And then jewellery wise, I've kept the same rings on as before, but I've just changed up my necklace. I've got on this gorgeous croissant locket necklace. Absolutely love the style of this. And this is gold vermeil as well, so it's a much more affordable price point than 14 karat gold. Yeah, just a really beautiful locket. I haven't got anything inside it, but obviously you can put a picture inside there. And then I've kept in the same chunky little hoops, but I've also just added a little cuff this time. I've got in this little beaded cuff from Maduri. This is one of the first pieces I ever got from there, I think. And I just think it's so cute. It just sits really nicely and works really well styled with the hoops as well. And yeah, that is the next outfit. Very simple, but like I said, this will be really easily recreated with any long coat and jumper dress and boots. You could even style this with flat boots as well if you prefer.